So have you ever thought about building your own website, but just got completely turned off by the idea of coding? Well, forget all of that. Today, we're going to demystify the entire thing. I'm going to show you how anyone can build a professional-looking site in just 5 simple steps, and you won't have to write a single line of code. Let's dive right in. You know, when you picture what it takes to build a website, does your mind jump to a room full of programmers, screens filled with all that complex code? And look, for a long time, that was pretty much the reality. But I'm here to tell you things have changed a lot. The great news is that old way of doing things is basically a thing of the past. Today, building a website is really just about following a clear, simple process. And we've broken it down into 5 incredibly straightforward steps that will take you from zero to a fully functional live website. Okay, so here's our game plan. First, we'll get your name and address on the internet. Then we'll install the powerful engine that runs everything, WordPress. After that, the really fun part starts. We'll pick a professional design, make it our own with some easy drag and drop tools, and just like that, you're live. So let's kick things off with step 1. All right, step 1, your website's name and address. You can think of this as like planting your flag on the internet. It's your unique identity online. It's how people are going to find you. So yeah, it's a pretty critical first piece of the puzzle. This slide right here breaks down 2 terms that can be a little confusing. Your domain, that's basically your street address. It's unique, like myawesomeblog.com. Then you have your hosting. Hosting is the actual plot of land at that address. It's where you build your house, or in this case, where all your website's files are stored. You've got to have both. So here's what you do. First, think up a unique name for your site, and just do a quick search to see if it's available. The smartest move is to buy your domain and your hosting together. And here's a great pro tip. A lot of hosting companies will actually give you the domain for free if you buy a year of hosting up front. It's a fantastic way to save a little cash right at the beginning. Okay, we've got our address and our plot of land. Now it's time for step 2, installing WordPress. If their website was a car, WordPress is the engine. It's what makes the whole thing go. So what is WordPress exactly? Well, it's the system that powers something like 40% of the entire internet. And there's a good reason for that. It's free, and more importantly, it gives you this really simple dashboard to manage everything, your text, your images, all your pages, without ever having to look at code. It's the magic wand that makes all of this possible for everybody. Now, your hosting provider, they'll usually have a simple one-click button to install WordPress for you. And once that's done, this right here is the key to your new online kingdom. To get into your website's control panel, you just type your website's address into your browser and add /login at the end. That's it. On to step 3. Picking a design. And this is where things get really cool, because you don't have to be a designer, not at all. You get to basically stand on the shoulders of giants and start with a beautiful, professional website from day 1. So here's how this shortcut works. Inside WordPress, you'll install something called a theme. Think of that as the main blueprint for your site's style, like fonts and colors. Then you add a plugin that works with it, which is kind of like an app. This plugin unlocks a huge library of pre-made website designs. You just browse through them, find one you love, and import it with a single click. Now, listen up, because this is a huge tip. When you're importing that design, it might ask you which editor you want to use. You're going to want to pick Elementor. Trust me. Why? Because that's the tool that makes editing your website a totally visual drag-and-drop experience. It's the secret ingredient that makes the next step so incredibly simple. And that brings us to the best part of this whole thing. Step 4, editing with drag and drop. This is where you take that amazing professional template and you really start to make it yours. Okay, so you've got this great-looking design, but of course it has a bunch of placeholder text. So, how hard is it to change that? It is literally that easy. You see some text you want to change? You just click on it and you start typing right there on the page. No code, no complicated back-end menus. What you see is what you get. All right, what about images? Surely it's got to be a little trickier to swap out a big picture on your homepage, right? Nope. It's just as easy. You click the picture, you grab your own photo from your computer, and you just drag and drop it into place. The system handles all the complicated stuff like resizing and formatting for you. It's amazing. So, let's do a quick recap. For the main content on any page, you're going to use that Elementor editor we talked about. For the very top part of your site, the header, and the very bottom, the footer, you'll use the Customize menu. And if you need a brand new page, like an About Us page, you can just grab another pre-built template to get a head start. And that brings us to the finish line. Step 5, your live website. The moment you're done with those quick edits, you're not just working on a project in private anymore. You are officially online for the whole world to see. And this is the part people don't always realize. From the second you installed WordPress way back in step 2, your website was technically live. Every single change you make as soon as you save it is updated on the public version of your site, instantly. There's no giant publish the whole site button. You're in control in real time. This pretty much sums it all up. There's no complicated process here. You make a change on a page, you click save, and that's it. Your update is live for everyone to see. It's just an incredibly simple and powerful way to work. And there you have it. 5 steps. That's all it takes to go from just having an idea in your head to having a live professional website that you are in complete control of. So the only real question left is, now that you have the keys, what are you going to create?